Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you are watching me from. So karibuni sana. Today I want to give you a house tour. I know guys, we are going to advance. We are going higher. But let me give you my current house tour. So once you get to the door, this is the door. You get through that door. It's also gray in color. Then you have the white shears. They have patterns. You can see from that corner, we have the shear that is patterned. Then we have these creamish gold curtains. The theme of the house is gray, white, and a touch of gold. So those are the curtains there. From that corner, then you go to this corner where you see my bookshelf. This is where I keep my books, part of the books, because they can't all fit here. The shelf is a bit small, so this is just part of my books. From the bookshelf, you go to this wall, and the first thing you see when you get into this house is this wall hanging that says God did it. Yay! And indeed God did it. This far it is just the hand of God. This far it is God. So God did it. So from there you come and you see this, what is it called? The kikapu. This kikapu, I got it from Du Bois. I have placed it there as, part of decor. But you can also place your keys right inside here, or some flowers. That is just for decor. Then down here, you get the fan. You see this fan. This fan, I got it some years back. The days of Tuskies. So I got this from Tuskies Chania. And by the way, this was an impulse buying. I had gone to do some small shopping. Actually, I had gone to buy a hot dog. Then I saw this fan and I bought it. So guys, avoid impulse buying. Stick to your list of budget. Then we have this plastic white shelf. This is where I put my snacks. Unfortunately, today we don't have any snacks here apart from the biscuit, the chili, and the tomato sauce. But this is where I place all the snacks, biscuit, chocolates for the visitors. So once you come into this house, guys, you are assured of having all the snacks you want. So we go on this side. This is an L-shaped sofa. So this one I saw it online, though it was a different design. I specifically gave the design of gray and a touch of gold. So this is an L-shape sofa. Got it from Riru Bonnie Furnitures. You did a good job. Right here, guys, we have this MiFi. You can see. I think this is Oreo MiFi. I bought it at 6,000. And it is very fast. I'm using fiber. Then we have this goldish decor. This was meant to be a sachet for me. But I found out it can be a good decor for the sofa. So from this side, you can see, guys, that's the L-shaped sofa. The fan there, the snack trolley there, the bookshelves, and the God did it were hanging, and the kikapu for decor. From there, guys, we have the carpet, the white carpet. Remember I told you the house is gray, white, and a touch of gold. Now this carpet, I got it from Kamukonji at a very cheap price. So if you want some carpets, you can get them from Isiri or Kamukonji. So that's the white frappy carpet. Then here, guys, I forgot to tell you, once you get to the door, you find these sandals, these pink white sandals. This you use to get into the house. So these are indoors sandals. You can put them on while in the house. Then we have this flower vase. As you can see, it's white in color, just as I told you. It's so beautiful. This one I got from Kamukonji. We have this TV stand. Oh my God, this one I saw online and I ordered it from Nairobi Mart. Wow, they brought it all the way to Thika. So that's the TV stand, white. And then we have this TV. Oh my God, I really desired a 65-inch TV, but my budget irikata, So I managed to get this 55-inch TV. I had gone to check it at Eastland, ECD, but because of the logistics to bring it all the way, I decided to order it from Jumia. So this TV stand is 55-inch and I got it from Jumia. Then on top of the TV, we have these flower vases, white. You see, guys, how I love white. So these ones, there are 3 of them. That is 1, 2, 3. They are on top of the TV. Maybe from afar you can see. They are hanging over the TV. So this one I got from China Square. Can't remember how much. But once you get to China Square, they have varieties of this. From there, guys, you come to my study table. So I used to have this table in a different color, but I took it to the fundi. They modified it and I told them I want it in white. Then, guys, you can see this. This is another MiFi. This is Huawei. The other one was Oreo. This one is a MiFi. I bought it at 7,000. So this house has enough Wi-Fi for you guys. Karibuni. Then we have this study table. Oh, not the study table. The office chair. This one I bought it from where? From the supermarket. This office chair was at 7,000 Kenya shillings. You can see some of my books are here. There's a Bluetooth there. Then on top of the study table, I have the shelves where I have put some flowers there. Remember, the other shelf has some books, but this one I decided to put these greenish flowers with a white vase. From that's the top one, the middle one, na hiyo ya mwisho. From there we have this Simba. Oh my God, looks nice. So that is the second portrait there of a lion, and it is goldish. Just love gold, that touch of gold. Then we have this the third one. This one is a flower, greenish and yellow, which I assumed is gold. Oh, so it's nice. Just look at that flower, guys. Then down here we have some little decor. Wow. So these pillows, I got them from Kamukonji also. I think most of the things I got them from Kamukonji. But this one, the gold one, This one I made it kwa fundi. I took this design to a fundi and she made it for me. So I bought the white pillow and some green, 2 green pillows, just to break the color theme. Then we have the white shelf. Then down there we have my photos. Your queen is here, guys. Wow, looks nice. Then we have the gray flower vase with some white rose flowers, artificial ones. That one I also got from Kamukonji. So from this side you can see the decor on that side. I hope guys you can see the wall hangings, the flowers, the study table, the small decor right there, the TV. Then you go to the kitchen. This is an open kitchen, and everything here is white. The table gas, small table gas. Guys, I told you we are advancing. Next time you will see a better and bigger gas here, gas cooker. So that's a table gas on a white table. This one is also white. This is where I place maybe my honey, majani, cocoa. Then we have the gray utensil rack. This one here kuweka vyombo. The plates are in white. Then on top here we have the Nescafe instant. And then we have these 2 bowls. They look like you know, a bowl. So this is where I put dengu, kamande, but for now they are empty. Majani, rosemary, my mint, there, thyme. So here we have a microwave. It's creamish. So then we have this door, the kitchen door. So when you open this door, it will get you to the balcony. This balcony is very noisy. You can see, guys, my apartment is just on the main road. So that's the main road all the way from there, from town to downtown. So this apartment is just on the main road. So that's the balcony here. And you can see my gray basins, the white dustbin. Just wiped these shoes. So that's the gray door here. So let's close the door because of the noise. So from the kitchen you can be able to see the sitting area. So guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, it's free to subscribe. So subscribe, like, share, and put a comment. So guys, you can put down in the comment section any improvements you want me to make, anything you think I can add or adjust. Kindly let me know. I will appreciate. Meanwhile, subscribe because so much is coming on this channel. We're gonna cook here, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna travel, we're gonna have some tough talks. So guys, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. See you on my next video.